Every day, we use essential goods that must be marked to ensure they remain safe for consumption by the time they end up on grocery shelves and beyond. These packaged products are coated with best before dates and other variable information that uniquely identify each product or the batch it came from. It's the responsibility of major food and pharmaceutical companies to ensure safety and traceability throughout the supply chain, and this requires a remarkable amount of innovation to be implemented during the complex manufacturing and logistics process without disrupting speed of production or increasing cost to the consumer.
Consumers need to have that best before date and that lot code information on every single product they buy so that in the unfortunate event of a recall, they can know if they need to discard the food that they have. That means that that code must go on every single product that a food manufacturer produces. So you need one type of printer to print onto an aluminum can and another to print onto a plastic bottle.
Pharmaceutical companies and food beverage companies utilize this tracking and tracing information to ensure that products are safe from a freshness standpoint and to ensure that if there's an issue and it has to be recalled, the information can help our customers identify where it was produced, all the way down to details such as the production line.
With 1 million systems installed since its beginnings in the 1960s, Videojet Technologies is a world leader in the product identification market, providing the inline printing technology needed to mark virtually every possible consumer product.
Our mission is to help our customers protect their customers. We are providing food manufacturers with the most innovative products to ensure they constantly have a print technology that can keep up with changes in packaging technology. We partner with our customers to help them stay on top of those ever-changing regulations. For example, many governments have been enforcing regulations to ensure that pharmaceutical products can be tracked at every stage throughout the supply chain. And we have been evolving not only our printers, but also our software solutions to help them keeping up with those new government regulations and consumer demands.
A lot of extensive knowledge and experience are developed on the front end from our tech support labs, and that information makes its way seamlessly to our technology. There we're able to produce codes that meet customers' demands, whether it's static or variable information.
Videojet is also working to help ensure its customers are able to fulfill their obligations to keep society safe and fed, especially during this time of unprecedented worldwide demand during the COVID-19 global pandemic.
I think we've all experienced shortages at grocery stores for food products that we were typically used to buying. What we at Videojet have been doing is helping our customers, those food manufacturers. We keep all of their printers up and running as they are increasing their production rates. And we're doing that while maintaining the safety of not only our employees, but also our customers' employees.
When any element on a production line fails, it can often lead to a considerable loss of time and profit. For years, the solution was to call for a service technician who was usually located off-site, further extending downtime. Videojet's unparalleled service team, along with unique remote services capabilities, helps producers of major consumer staples keep their lines moving without interruption, indispensable in the age of COVID-19.
Videojet Connect Remote Service gives the customers the availability to access issues as they are generated in real time, gives them the option to remotely troubleshoot and bringing the printers back online, and gives our techs information that they need so that repairs are done quickly, the time is not wasted, and we fix the printers right the first time.
Currently, manufacturers are entering what they consider the fourth generation of industrialization. They are looking at ways that they can automate their facilities and their operations. They're looking at ways in which they can predict when errors might occur that would take their line down. And they're looking at ways that they can proactively improve the productivity of their plant. What Videojet is doing is taking all of those best practices that we're seeing across the industry and making sure that we're incorporating those into not only our printer products, but also our service and software offerings to help customers know well in advance when their printer might fail so that they can take corrective action before it causes their line to shut down. Most consumers never give consideration to how those expiration dates get onto their packaging. They don't realize the work that's required by food manufacturers to get that food into that packaging and get that variable content printed onto that packaging. It's something that we at Videojet certainly don't take for granted, and we are proud of the role we serve in the world.
Now more than ever, the topic of keeping the food and essential goods on retail shelves traceable and affordable touches everyone. And the innovative technology used to make this universally possible while keeping the production lines moving is truly extraordinary. Learn more today about Videojet technologies, keeping consumers safe for over 50 years. For more information, visit videojet.com.